Everything is super small here, but making this video because I need some help. I am building out a little thought collecting system for myself, kind of like an idea management process, I'm calling it. I don't know if you can see this. Let me get up here. So the only required field is the thought. And then from there, I will have the context of that thought and then support that context. And then I'll have like internal notes here. Once I hit collect thought, it does its whole thing. I send it off somewhere else, and then it comes back to Airtable here, and then I'm going to store it all here. And these are all gonna. This is going to be my social content. From there, it's going to get distributed. So it's going to get a newer, updated record in Airtable, and it's going to go based off of um, the last modified field here whenever the status gets updated. So then it's going to share an update on LinkedIn, and hopefully I can show you how I have it set up. So it has I break it down: thought, context, and then support, just so I have a framework there. And I'm just keeping this really, really simple right now until I figure it out. Um, from there, I have it create a story in Medium and then create a post in Ghost. What I want to do is I need to get it to Facebook. I should do that right now. But get it to Twitter. And so like a Twitter thread, and like each tweet can only be 280 characters, and when Zapier sends a content or text to Twitter, it truncates it and it doesn't it just cuts it off. So what I need to be able to do is, let me go back in. If I take each of these, I want them to be three separate tweets. For now, the support one has to be limited to 280 characters because that's just what it is. I might have to have another field in there, but each Airtable cell in the record is going to be a tweet. I just I don't know how to break that up, because if I go here, oh my gosh, it's big. That's why. Okay. I want it to create a tweet. And when I do this, it just has message option. And so I can do that same thing and go, where is it at? Oh, thought, context, support. When I have it do this, it's going to post it just as one tweet, but I would like it to be three separate tweets minimum. Like three tweets have, like, the thought is like the bait or the offer, is the first tweet. And then the second one is the context, kind of like, or maybe a TLDR of the support. And then you dive in from there. But I don't know how to, it's like you can truncate text with the formatter action. Um, I'll have to look into this, I guess. I looked at it yesterday, but I apparently didn't find anything. But I just want to be able to send three tweets at once like that, or have. I wonder if I can reply to a tweet. Okay. Create tweet. Search users up to. I can't. I do wonder though if I can do it with make. Let's go over here. Come with me. Okay, so when a new Airtable is created, a new record, I need it to tweet a thread. So let's try this. Okay, base, table, trigger field last modified label will be used for no. Okay. Okay, so when that, okay. There's way more options. Kind of a raw video, you get to see me here. Let's just see. I don't know how I can do it to have it do a thread. If anyone knows, please leave a comment below. I'm a complete noob. I don't know how to code. I might be able to figure it out. I can figure it out. I just gotta think about it. Needed to be able to post minimum 3 tweets because the support might have a lot more. Yeah. I'll figure that out. But if you know in the meantime, please let me know. Drop a comment below. Feel free to subscribe and follow along. I got a lot of projects going on, and YouTube is where I will just kind of brain dump all of them. And I want to have a document of it someday, eventually, to look back on. I think it'll really help me grow. I think it's good insight to have for me to be able to look back on. So really excited about it. If you're into that sort of thing, feel free to hit the follow or the subscribe button, and then the bell icon, I guess, that gives you a notification. But I really don't care. If you hit the subscribe button, that's going to tell the algorithm that you like my channel, and whenever I post something that the algorithm thinks you'll like, it'll show it to you. So you don't need to hit the bell if you don't want to, but it does help. So that being said, I need to move on to the next video here. This one's going to bug me today because it's on my to-do list, and it's going to be like unresolved. I guess I'll just have to deal with it. So, toodles.